Hey everyone, welcome to our brand new podcast series, Learn Smarter. I'm your host, Rafi.
And I'm Sarah. Today we're going to talk about a topic that many English learners struggle with, yet few actually master, and that is English listening skills.
Absolutely. I've seen so many learners who can write in English, read books, but when it comes to understanding native speakers in real time, they get stuck.
Right. And this episode is all about changing that. We're going to break it down step by step so anyone, student, professional, or self-learner, can improve their English listening without feeling overwhelmed.
So, Sarah, when you were learning English, what was the hardest part for you?
Great question. Honestly, it wasn't the vocabulary. I knew the words. But when I listened to native speakers, I couldn't understand anything. Like they would say, "Did you eat yet?" And it sounded like "Jeet yet."
Haha, yes, that's connected speech. Native speakers often link words together, and that makes it confusing if you're used to textbook English.
Exactly. Another issue I faced was listening anxiety. I would feel nervous, thinking, what if I don't understand? Or am I wasting my time? And that fear made it even harder to focus.
That's such a good point. These invisible mental blocks can be harder than grammar rules.
And let's not forget, most of us learned English from books. But real-world English is messy, fast, and full of slang or idioms. Let's talk solutions. How to master English listening.
Okay then, let's not dwell on problems. Let's move toward solutions. We got 7 powerful steps to master English listening. Ready?
Let's go.
The first tip, listening is a daily workout. You don't need hours. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough if you're consistent.
You can listen while walking, commuting, eating, or even doing chores. The key is, make it a routine like brushing your teeth.
Don't just rely on subtitles forever. Use them as training wheels. First round, watch with English subtitles. Second round, watch without subtitles. Third round, pause and shadow. We'll talk about shadowing next.
Yes. And watching the same video 3 times is not a waste. It builds familiarity, and your brain starts recognizing patterns.
Now, shadowing is a game changer. You listen to a short sentence, pause, and try to repeat it exactly as the speaker said it. Tone, rhythm, pronunciation.
It may feel awkward at first, but it's how babies learn language. They mimic. Do this daily for even 5 minutes, and you'll see massive improvement.
Here's a secret. Native speakers think in chunks, not individual words. Instead of trying to understand each word, train your ear to catch phrases like, by the way, at the end of the day, you know what I mean?
Exactly. If you focus on chunks, your brain processes meaning faster. That's how fluent speakers do it.
Use the playback speed option on YouTube or Spotify. Start at 0.75x speed if it feels too fast.
Then gradually go back to normal speed, or even 1.25x later for challenge. But never feel guilty for slowing things down.
There's a difference between hearing and listening. Passive listening is like background music. Active listening means focusing, predicting meaning, repeating in your head.
Ask yourself while listening, what's the topic? What's the main idea? Take quick notes. You're not just practicing your ears, you're training your brain.
Don't stick to just one podcast or YouTube channel. Mix it up. Watch interviews. Listen to audiobooks. Try TED Talks. Use apps like ELSA, BBC Learning English, or LingQ.
Also try different accents. British, American, Australian, Indian. It'll make you globally ready.